you see me? Oh, wait a minute. There, that's a bit better. Again, welcome til Geirivar går tur. Welcome to Geirivar takes a hike. And today I'm walking in pitch black darkness. It's a little bit past 6 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's been dark here since 3. I'm walking with poles and spikes today because it may be really slippery. Snow has melted a bit and the paths are quite icy. Those are my ice spikes. They're really useful when the path is slippery. And this is me with the headlamp in your face. Oh, it's too bright. Now here the snow is melted, such is November. It's really dark. I can see some could go without light, but I wouldn't know where I'm going because I can't see the path. So I'll walk with a light until I find my destination, which may be okay to take some pictures of today. Maybe not. This trip is mostly for my health anyway. I've been lazy the last month. Oh, now it turned black. Well, I'm at today's goal. Oh. Yeah. Maybe you can see me, maybe not. I'm at today's goal, this waterfall, a couple of kilometers up the hill. I'll try to get my lamp to show the waterfall properly in a moment. Yeah, I did get my lamp to work better. I am charging it with a battery in my hood because it won't light at the maximum power if it's not fully charged or charging. So now I'm blind, but maybe you got to see the waterfall. This place is called Hengen. It's 233 meters above the sea. Take a look around. Here's the fence by the waterfall. And that's the forest around us. To conclude this video, I'll say if you want to take a hike in the northern Norwegian November, be prepared with a headlight, extra batteries and shoes with good grip. It's icy, really dark, it's still nice to go outside for a hike, even when you can't see a thing. Enjoy nature and get outdoors.